So let's just talk about string formatting in Python. So the string formatting basically allows us to directly inject variables or expression into one string. So first of all, let's just talk about the f string. Also, this is known as formatted string. So here we use the capital or small f as a prefix before the string, and then we can have our string, and inside that we use the curly braces to embed expressions or variables. So directly here we can print the variable. So these are all the variables. So the value of these variables will be included in the final string. And secondly, we have dot format method. So the format method also uses the placeholders inside the string, and then after that it uses the format method, and here we can pass all of the variables like the name, the age. So the variable name will be injected right here in the first placeholder, and the age will be injected in the second placeholder. And not just this, also we can reorder them. So we can use 1. So this time the age will come right here, and if we use 0 here, so the age will go in the second position. So this way we can reorder the arguments in case of the format method. And thirdly, we have the string interpolation. So here we use the percentage. So inside the string we use the percentages like %s for string, %d for numbers, and after that we can mention the variables. So we can print the name and age. So the variable name will be injected right here in the %s, and the number age will be injected right here in the %d. So this is the older method of string format. So first of all, let's just talk about the f string. So suppose we have the name and the age. So let's just use the f string to format the name and age inside a string. So first of all, we have to use the prefix f, and after that inside the string we can use the placeholders, curly braces, which will hold the variables. So we can have the name variable, we can have the age variable. So those variables will be directly injected inside the string. And let's now print our string. So here you can see we have the output, name is Sam, age is 20. And also we can use expressions directly in the string. So we can add 10 to the age. Now you can see name is Sam, age is 30. So next, let's just talk about the dot format method. So here also we use the placeholders. So we can use the placeholders, name is placeholder and age is placeholder, and the value of the placeholders will come from the format method. So here we have to use the format, and here inside we can pass the name and the age. So the name variable will go to the first placeholder and age will go to the second placeholder. So they will be printed as per their order. So let's now print. So here name is Sam, age is 20, and also we can reorder these arguments. So suppose we wanted to print the age in the first position, we're gonna place 1 here, and let's just print 0 here. So the age will be printed first, and then the name will be printed right here. So here name is 20, age is Sam. And lastly, the older method, which is string interpolation. So here we use the %s for string and %d for numbers, and then we can pass those values. So here we can pass the name and the age. So the name will go right here and the age will go right here. So let's now print. So here we have the output, name is Sam, age is 20. So this way we can use different string formatting methods to format strings in Python. So hope you understand the concept. See you in the next one. Take care.